Welcome to Review Source. If you're tackling upholstery, crafts, repairs, or light construction and want something that's powerful, comfortable, and easy to control, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best staple guns, chosen for their driving power, ease of loading, comfort, and versatility across home and professional projects. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting at number 1, the Arrow T50 Staple Gun. The Arrow T50 is one of those tools that feels solid the moment you pick it up. It's built with all chromed steel housing and hardened steel parts, so it doesn't flex, creak, or feel flimsy during use. This is the kind of stapler you can throw in a toolbox, use daily, and not worry about wearing it out. It comes with 3,750 staples in 3 sizes, which is great because you're not locked into one type of project. Upholstery, insulation, screen repair, crafts, light construction, it handles all of it. The rear loading magazine is smooth and straightforward, and the staple viewing window is surprisingly useful, especially when you're in the middle of a project and don't want to guess when you're about to run out. The high leverage handle makes a big difference. You don't have to squeeze with all your strength to get clean penetration, which helps a lot during longer jobs. It's comfortable in the hand and gives good control, even when working in tight spaces or at awkward angles. A lot of users say it feels extremely well built and dependable, especially for upholstery work, and many like that it comes with multiple staple sizes right away. Some people mention that it can jam occasionally, but most agree that when it's loaded properly, it drives staples deep and consistently. Overall, the Arrow T50 is a classic for a reason. It's tough, reliable, and does exactly what you expect without fuss. Next up at number 2, the WORKPRO 3.6-volt Staple Gun. If you like the idea of going cordless, this one is a very practical option. The WORKPRO 3.6-volt is lightweight, compact, and easy to move around with, which makes it great for crafts, small repairs, and upholstery projects where dragging cords would just get in the way. It works with both staples and brad nails, so you can switch between tasks without changing tools. The battery charges in about 1 to 2 hours, and for most light jobs, that's more than enough. It also comes with a good supply of staples to get you started, which is always a nice touch. What stands out here is how easy it is to handle. The grip is comfortable, the trigger is smooth, and the safety system is well thought out. You have to press the contact tip before it fires, which helps prevent accidental shots. Many users really like how easy it is to use, especially those with hand issues or arthritis, because it doesn't require much force. It's often praised for reupholstering seats, small DIY jobs, and crafting. That said, battery life is mixed. Some say it lasts well, others mention it doesn't hold a charge as long as they'd like. Jamming can also happen if staples aren't seated properly. Still, for light-duty, cordless convenience, the WORKPRO 3.6-volt is a handy tool to have around. At number 3, the Arrow T50 DCD Cordless Staple Gun. This one takes the trusted T50 platform and makes it fully cordless. If you already like the feel of Arrow tools, this is a natural step up. It comes with the same staple sizes and keeps that solid, balanced feel, but now you can work anywhere without cords or compressors. It's designed with safety in mind, using a contact safety system that prevents misfires. You have to press the nose and pull the trigger in sequence, which keeps things controlled. The bottom loading magazine makes reloading quick, and the low staple indicator saves you from dry firing in the middle of a project. It's lightweight, comfortable, and doesn't feel bulky in the hand. You can get through upholstery, crafts, and general repairs without your wrist getting tired. The air vents help keep it cool, which is nice during longer sessions. Many users say it makes projects easier and appreciate the convenience of cordless power. Some report that it's strong and smooth, while others mention mixed experiences with battery life and long-term durability. Still, when it's working as intended, it delivers fast, consistent stapling without the hassle of manual force. For people who want the Arrow feel with cordless freedom, the T50 DCD fits nicely. Moving on to number 4, the Bielmeier Cordless Staple Gun. This one brings a bit of personality with its design, but it's not just about looks. The Bielmeier is a 2-in-1 stapler and nailer, and it's surprisingly capable for its size. It works well with fabric, leather, foam, paper, carpeting, and softwood. It's very lightweight, which makes a big difference if you're working overhead or in awkward positions. The transparent staple window is a small feature, but it's useful when you're in the flow.
Users often mention how easy it is to handle and like its comfort, especially for smaller projects. Durability and battery life get mixed feedback, but for home projects and crafts, it stays convenient and simple. Finally, at number 5, the WORKPRO 5-in-1 Cordless Staple Gun. This is the most versatile tool on the list. The 5-in-1 design means it works with multiple staple and nail types, so you're not switching tools every time the material changes. It's fully cordless and can drive over 1,000 staples per charge. The firing speed is quick and consistent, so you can move through projects without stopping and starting. Many users say it works well and appreciate how deeply it drives staples. Ease of use gets mixed feedback around loading, but once set up, it performs smoothly. If you want one tool that can handle a wide range of fastening tasks, this one is hard to ignore. And that wraps up the top 5 best staple guns. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.